Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, and share. So today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a 12 by 24 inch stretch canvas. And here I'm laying out my base coat, which is a titanium white. Once I put my paint down and blow it out, it'll be a nice thin coat. And my paint is 1:1, and then I thin with water. 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol. Busting the bubbles. So at the end of the video, I show you the dried results. And you'll notice that right where the white meets the colors, there's a big blemish. It was my thumb. So as it was drying, I actually touched it by accident. Don't know what I was thinking. But I am going to fix that later on. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you, the video. And then I will fix that later on. I can either sand it down and paint it out with white, or I can use some sort of texture paste or some sort of gel, which is what I'm thinking about doing. I just have to figure out what to do. So I'm putting on my first color, and my first color is Indigo. It's Indigo by Golden. My next color is a Winsor blue. That is a Peacock pearl. So that's a little bit of a shimmer to it. And that's a cobalt blue. A little more indigo. An iridescent gold. And then I had some Dioxazine purple, so it had a very little left, so I just added it on. And that splash of purple really did help the final piece, I think. So I'm going to add some of my base coat, which is the titanium white, around the colors. And I'll blow it over the colors and blow it out. So again, my name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Hope you liked this video, and if you could, please like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy the video and the music. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what I do.